Yo, welcome back to the Mystery Bar Kitchen. Today we got another one. We have roasted Sofrito chicken with Spanish yellow rice, and we have some green beans and tomatoes. Let's get into it. All right, first thing first, the ingredients. All the ingredients and correct measurements will be in the description below in the recipe, so go ahead and take a look down there first if you want to follow along. First thing you want to do is get your chicken, wash it, clean it. And what I did, I started off with the whole chickens. I had bought 2 of them, and I cut it in half. Now you can cut this down into like quarters if you want to, like the leg quarter and the breast and the wing, or you can leave it like I did. And then once you do all that, go ahead and add your sofrito in. Now you can make the sofrito from scratch, but I didn't today. I just went ahead and bought it from Publix in the freezer section, thawed it out, and dropped it in. Then you add some mojo in. Then you add some olive oil in. And then add your favorite seasonings. Now this one got onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, a little bit of complete seasoning, and I think I put adobo in there too. Drop that in, and then go ahead and add yourself some sazon. 1 pack will do it. For me, it worked. You know, it's perfect for me. But if you want to add some more, go ahead and add some more. Then add yourself some black pepper and some pink Himalayan salt. Then go ahead and add yourself some chunky garlic paste, and then go ahead and give it a good mix. So you want to mix this thoroughly. Make sure that seasoning, that marinade is in every crevice of the chicken. Mix it up real good and lift up the skin and push some inside the skin too, under the skin, And then once you get that under the skin and get everything nice and seasoned, go ahead and let this marinate for maybe an hour or 2 before you cook it. But it's best if you do it overnight. Now, if you don't have the time, let it marinate until you lose patience, and then go ahead and cook it. Now, while you're doing this, make sure your oven is preheated to 365 degrees. And once it's done marinating, you're going to go ahead and drop it on the sheet pan and throw it in the oven. All right, so this is what we got. It's been like an hour and a half for me. I didn't let it sit too long because I got family over, so we're going to go ahead and get that done soon. All right, so I got a sheet pan. I sprayed it down with some olive oil, and then I add my chicken to it. All right, boom. Now what you're gonna do is go ahead and add the rest of that sauce right onto the chicken, or the marinade right onto the chicken. Because what happens when the chicken starts to cook, it's gonna start releasing its juices, and everything is gonna marry together. And then you're gonna use all that marinade and all the juices from the chicken to baste the chicken to give it that color and to help it stay nice and moist so it won't be bone dry. So we cooked it for maybe like 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and then this is what we got. So now I'm gonna pour off some of the juices, and I'm gonna use that to baste the chicken with. All right, so go ahead and baste the chicken and make sure that you baste it good. Do this every so often until the chicken is done. You want to get the chicken to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't overdo it because you don't want it to be dry. You know that chicken breast is going to get dry quick, so you want to make sure you watch it. All right, go ahead and drop it back in the oven, and then boom, here you go. Now this got to 168, 170 degrees for me, which is fine. You know, I wasn't tripping on that. It was pretty good. All right, so go ahead and get yourself a skillet, add yourself some butter, and then we're gonna cook the vegetables over a medium-high heat. And remember, add some butter and olive oil because that keeps the butter from burning. All right, add yourself some shallots, and then go ahead and add yourself some garlic paste. Let that cook down until it's fragrant. And then go ahead and add your vegetables in. And then go ahead and add yourself some tomatoes, cook that, and then boom, let's plate up. All right, so the first time I seen this dish, I'm not gonna lie, it was in Clearwater. It's a restaurant called Columbia. Now they got something similar to this, and of course it tastes different than mine. I don't have the recipe for theirs, so I never worked there before, but this is my take on it. And man, I'm telling you, bro, it was so good. It was so close to it. But it's definitely different. But man, that flavor was on point, I'm telling you. Everything was nice and seasoned. Everything was nice and cooked, hot. Beautiful presentation. Everybody loved it. There you go. Roasted sofrito chicken with Spanish yellow rice, green beans, and tomatoes. Alright, there you have it. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a subscribe for me. Subscribe to the channel and tap in with me. Like, share, and comment on this video as well. And we'll see you on the next one. And remember, if it ain't good, throw the whole plate away. Dead serious.